In the early 90s, my dad was actually farming out here, a farm right next door. And my dad's always, admired this area and knew it grew great volume of fruit and good quality fruit. And all these years later, we're back out here. My dad knew what this area could grow. And that was, a big push to be back out in Burbank. I'm Blake Monson. We're out here at our Burbank orchards. In 2019, we planted roughly 165 acres, and then 2020 we planted roughly 180, which around 350 acres between 2019 and 20. Next year we plan on planting another 100 acres to get a total of 450 acres of high volume fruit production between apples and cherries. In our 2019 planting, we have galas, which are Buckeye galas. We have Cosmic Crisp. We have Firestorm Honey Crisp. And then for our 2020 planting, we have Aztec Fuji's, another block of Cosmic Crisp, Granny Smith's, and then Rosy Glow Pink Ladies. And along with that, we have our cherries, which are Chalans and Lapins. So on the precision side of the farming system, like I said, my dad really wanted to incorporate precision ag into our operations here. So we have went to platform working systems that are self-driven, where our employees are just standing there on the platform while us driving down the road by itself and working. It reduces labor stress, it lets them work longer and harder, and then it also helps us improve labor production, which with the efficiency we get from it and the speed, we could have less people out here and do a lot more acres at a time. Our farm is on a high density, high volume Tatira trellis system, and my dad designed this system thinking for the future with precision ag in mind, and how we can incorporate all the different new technology that's out there. The trellis in this block is 18 feet tall. We have trellis going from 16 to 18 feet. Our main source of irrigation comes from the Snake River here in Burbank, Washington. We pump it currently directly into our orchards, and we are currently in the process of getting an irrigation pond finished up where we can irrigate from that pond. The pond that we're installing has a capacity of 28 million gallons of water at a depth of 45 feet. As far as our sprinkler systems go, we have under tree irrigation, which is solid set irrigation. We have a polytube irrigation that we've incorporated. And, we use a drip system, and in the future we will eventually go to overhead cooling during the summer for our fruit to keep it cool through these hot days.